Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to NEET Decoded. Hope you have gone through the explanation of the earlier questions discussed on this channel, and in this video a new question will be discussed. So let's start. The question is, select the correct events that occur during inspiration. The options are A, contraction of diaphragm, B, contraction of external intercostal muscles, C, pulmonary volume decreases, and D, intrapulmonary pressure increases. So the options have been organized as 1, A and B, 2, C and D, 3, A, B and D, and 4, only D. Now, inspiration is the process in which air enters the lungs. A pressure gradient is created between the lungs and the outside atmosphere. Now, diaphragm, as you know, is a muscular structure which is dome-shaped, and it separates the thoracic or chest cavity and the abdominal cavity. Now, when the diaphragm contracts, the internal height of the thoracic cavity increases. This causes inspiration. So you can see here in this diagram that this is the diaphragm which undergoes contraction. There is expansion of the chest cavity and air is sucked in. And conversely, when the diaphragm relaxes, the chest contracts and air is expelled out. Now, intercostal muscles are muscles present within the rib cage. When the intercostal muscle contracts, it lifts up the ribs and the sternum. Now, sternum is a bone present in the interior portion of the chest wall. Now, when this happens, there is an increase in the volume of the chest cavity. That is, the chest cavity undergoes expansion. So the lungs get filled with air as negative pressure is created inside. So you can see here, these are the external intercostals or intercostal muscles, and this is the diaphragm which undergoes contraction. When the intercostal muscles and the diaphragm undergoes contraction, there is expansion of the chest wall. The negative pressure that is created causes the process of inspiration, that is, air is taken in. And on the other hand, here the intercostal muscles undergo relaxation. The diaphragm also takes its original position and there is contraction of the chest cavity, because of which expiration takes place, that is, air is expelled out. Now, you all know that lungs are situated in the thoracic cavity, which is made up of the vertebral column, the sternum, ribs, and diaphragm. When the diaphragm and intercostal muscles relax and return to their normal position, the thoracic volume gets reduced. So the pulmonary volume also reduces because the lungs are situated within the thoracic cavity. So what happens that the intrapulmonary pressure increases, which causes expiration, that is, air is expelled out from the lungs. You can see this is the vertebral column and the ribs and sternum, and here diaphragm is undergoing contraction. So air is entering here, and again, when it is relaxing, air is expelled out. So events occurring during inspiration are contraction of diaphragm and contraction of external intercostal muscles. So the correct option is option 1, A and B. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for regular updates on NEET biology, and thanks for watching.